My name is Patrick Boylan. I'm a chemistry teacher here at Rock School, and I've been here for 10 years now. There's a reason I've been here for 10 years. There's great leadership here on this campus in the district. We get lots of support. And as a teacher, I just really appreciate that. I feel like I have what I need to do my job and do my job well. So I've been teaching for 17 years, and when you take into account inflation, I made more my first year teaching than I'm making now. So it's a little frustrating, but I also really deeply believe in public education. I just hope that the public understands that as well. Not only me, but it's like it affects staff and staff morale and how difficult it is to take on all those extra responsibilities when there's just not enough staff, and it makes the job a little more difficult. I mean, I think it's just where we as a community decide what we value. And it's difficult as a teacher when you see other fields, other professions that are able to get salary raises that at least meet or exceed inflation. I chose this profession because I believe in public education. I think it's an important part of our country, our nation, right? I just think that this would just reaffirm that I'm a professional and I have the support of my community and that they value what I do.